Welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. So, this video gawin natin ang energy check para po sa may mga Sun, Moon, at Rising Aquarius. If you're new, subscribe, like, and share. Gamit natin si Wisdom of the Oracle. Kung gusto mo ng ganitong deck, may kasama ka itong book. You can click ang ating sponsored link. Aquarius, your card is number 52, Mending. Dude, wag mo nang ipilit ang mga, ang mga connection na hindi na talaga nagwo-work. Kumbaga, kung ayan, yung pinilit mo nang mag-reach out, gumawa ka ng paraan para magkaroon kayo ng communication, pero ayaw pa rin, andoon na nag-try ka na to reach out, maybe to ask for forgiveness, to double check with the person, pero hindi ka pinapansin, give up na. Hindi lahat ng bagay nilalaban natin. May mga laban na kailangan nating hayaan na lang. At isa na to sa mga to. Why? Because the card of the mending, gustong ipaalala sa'yo, you are also valuable. And you deserve to be respected. If you're not respected in that place where you are, get out. Hope nakatulong yung reading. Those are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. Subscribe, like, and share para magkita tayo sa next videos natin.